Welcome. Today we are diving into a fundamental concept in statistics, the mean of a discrete random variable, also known as the expected value. First, let's clarify our terms. A discrete random variable involves countable values. These are outcomes like the number of heads in 3 coin tosses or the number you roll on a 6-sided die. There are no decimals in between steps. You can't roll a 3.5. To calculate the mean, we organize our data into a probability distribution. This lists every possible outcome, denoted as x, and the probability of that specific outcome occurring, denoted as p of x. Remember, the sum of all probabilities in this list must always equal 1. So, what is the mean or expected value? Intuitively, it is the center of gravity of the distribution. If you place the probabilities as weights on a seesaw, the expected value is the exact point where the beam would balance perfectly. Here is the mathematical formula. Mu, which represents the mean, equals the sum of x multiplied by p of x. This means we take each value, multiply it by its probability, and add all those results together. Let's apply this to a simple game. Imagine a mystery box containing a cash prize. There is a 60% chance of winning $0, a 30% chance of winning $10, and a rare 10% chance of winning $50. What is the average amount you can expect to win? We start by setting up our table. In the first column, we have our prizes, 0, 10, and 50. In the second, our probabilities, 0.6, 0.3, and 0.1. Next, we multiply across each row. 0 times 0.6 is 0, 10 times 0.3 is 3, and 50 times 0.1 is 5. Now we simply add up the numbers in that final column. 0 plus 3 plus 5, the total is 8. Therefore, our expected value mu is 8. But wait, the answer is $8. Can you actually win $8 in the game? No, you can only win 0, 10, or 50. The expected value represents the long-term average. If you played this game thousands of times, your average winnings per game would level out to exactly $8. This concept powers huge industries. Casinos design games so the expected value for the player is negative, ensuring the house always wins in the long run. Insurance companies calculate the expected value of claims to set your premiums, ensuring they collect enough to cover payouts and still make a profit. To summarize, the expected value is simply a weighted average of all possible outcomes. It tells us the long-term mean of a random variable. Just remember the formula, sum of x times p of x.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.